Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, go to search bar and type your task manager. So from the search results, just open the task manager, then click on run new task, select browse button. On the window we need to select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. In the Windows folder we need to find out system32 folder. Just scroll down and you will get here, double click on it to open it. And now in the system32 folder you have to find out the cmd.exe file. Just scroll down and you will get the cmd file here. Select it and click on open. Now check this box. This will create the task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the command, close the background windows, and we need to focus on the command prompt window. Simply type here GISM space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and hit enter. So this command will take around 5 to 6 minutes to complete the process. Depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is. So we need to complete this up to the 100%. Till then we will execute the next methods. Run this in the background. Simply go to search bar, type your services, open it. Now just go for the Bluetooth services. There are three Bluetooth services are available: Bluetooth audio gateway service, Bluetooth support service, and Bluetooth user support service. So we need to start all these services and set the startup type as automatic. So firstly, right click on it, go to properties, set startup type as automatic, click on start, then click on apply and OK. Now do the same process for Bluetooth support service. Right click on it, go to its properties, select automatic, click on start, click on apply and then OK. Once done, just close the window. Complete this up to the 100% and we need to restart our system and our problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.